Today, I will be presenting my findings on the purchasing practices of four organisations. That's McDonald's, BMW, Whole Foods, and Westcliff University. I will be analysing how purchasing decisions influence organisational performance and sustainability metrics. So, the agenda. We will begin by listing the main topics that we'll cover throughout this presentation. The initial step of the presentation involves reviewing the primary goals and critical findings of the analysis. And then we will examine the purchasing procedures at McDonald's, BMW, Whole Foods, and Westcliff. We'll then explore how organisational culture shapes purchasing choices and also the impact of external factors such as economic conditions and regulations on purchasing strategies. And then we will conclude in revisiting the major findings of our study and evaluating the research materials we have utilised. So our executive summary. This presentation examines the purchasing practices of four organisations, each from a different industry. We'll analyse how procurement decisions support strategic goals and operational performance while promoting sustainable practices. The analysis will demonstrate the effects of corporate culture on organisational decision-making and how external elements such as economic shifts and regulations impact procurement strategies. Research shows that company purchasing decisions are determined by industry-specific context and organisational culture, while cost efficiency and quality standards continue to play essential roles. So McDonald's purchasing practices. So McDonald's procurement strategy focuses on routine operational purchases, such as food ingredients and packaging materials, along with equipment for their restaurants. McDonald's centralized procurement system achieves consistent operations and enhances efficiency across their global branches. By concentrating on cost efficiency, McDonald's succeeds in the competitive fast food industry and creates reliable supply networks which uphold product quality and diminish risk. Through their operational approach, they are able to manage to maintain global product consistency while keeping operational expenses low. Moving on to BMW. So they are obviously a high-end car company, and they channel its purchasing practices towards strategic acquisitions and investment, which demand large financial commitment. The BMW Group invests significant resources in market research, while supplier evaluation depends on both technological capabilities and raw material quality. BMW builds its luxury brand reputation through substantial investments in advanced technologies and premium parts, which contrasts with McDonald's purchasing strategies. This competitive advantage of BMW stems from its exceptional product quality combined with its cutting-edge technology that it uses. Now moving on to Whole Foods purchasing practices. So they have earned their recognition through its strong commitment to sustainable practices and responsible sourcing. It bases its purchasing decisions on health standards and ethical sourcing practices. Regional managers perform decentralized purchasing decisions by assessing potential supplies against their quality criteria and ethical practices while taking sustainability factors into account. Whole Foods demonstrates its commitment to social responsibility and sustainability principles through its purchasing decisions, which represent core aspects of their brand identity. Their strategic approach enables them to maintain a competitive advantage by consistently delivering organic products that meet responsible sourcing requirements. And then finally, Westcliff University. So Westcliff University is an academic excellence to be its core educational mission. It ensures its procurement decisions primarily support both campus operations and educational requirements. Administrative staff join faculty members to assess educational resources and campus services for selection use. Their objective is to acquire educational resources that improve learning results within existing financial limitations. Through cost-effective management, the purchasing strategy enables the university to reach educational excellence. So this takes us on to the influence of corporate culture. So corporate culture plays a key role in shaping how companies make their purchasing decisions. McDonald's corporate culture emphasizes operational efficiency and careful supply selection based on reliability and cost effectiveness. BMW dedicates substantial resources to technological development and premium material. Whole Foods select its supplies based on business principles that emphasize sustainable practices, while Westcliff University uses its academic principles to optimize resources for purchasing decisions that align with its educational goals and also effectively controlling finance. Impact of external factors. So McDonald's adapts its procurement strategy to address fluctuation in food prices and regulatory changes, so it can maintain competitive costs. In response to changing fuel prices and emission regulations, BMW Group develops fuel-efficient and electric vehicles to meet environmental standards and customer demand. Whole Foods modifies its procurement process to comply with food safety regulations while meeting environmental requirements and supporting sustainability goals. And Westcliff University operates under budget restrictions that make their purchasing decisions sensitive to government funding variations and accreditation requirements, which help to keep financial limitations in check while ensuring the educational standards remain strong. So, to conclude, the process of organizational purchasing decisions is influenced by multiple elements ranging from corporate culture and strategic objectives to external environmental circumstances. McDonald's focuses on cost efficiency and operational consistency. BMW leads the automotive market through its strategic use of cutting edge technology. Whole Foods maintains its brand identity through its commitment to sustainable sourcing. And Westcliff realizes that its educational objectives through academic excellence and financial sustainability via resource optimization. So every organization develops a purchasing strategy that matches both their industry characteristics and their organizational cultural values. Thank you very much.